She comes to her piano lesson every week and does such a good job. And her hands are about this big. So to get those little hands to go, it's tricky. And then the other one's going. And her hands are this big. Oh my goodness. But she does it every single week, and I'm so proud of her. 5 years old. Okay, next is going to be Xavier Valina. Come on up,
Go,
Xavier.
go, go.
This is his first recital. Today is his first recital. He's going to play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I love the jump off the stage. Xavier, that was wonderful. His very first recital. When he first came to piano lessons, he said, I'm not doing no recitals. Yes, you are. So that was his Xavier, and I'm very proud. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
You'll never be a first one again. The first one's done. Yeah. Okay, maybe more, though.